Hey everyone, so this is the brand new 2022 Amazon Fire HD8. This is the non-plus version. I also bought the plus version. That is in a separate video for this unboxing. That way you guys can find which one you want easier here. 32 gigabytes of storage. This only gives you 2 gigabytes of RAM, but it still gives you the hexa-core, the brand new hexa-core processor, or at least brand new for this these tablets here, Amazon's tablets. 2 gigabytes of RAM, hexa-core processor, 32 gigabytes of storage, SD card slot for up to 1 terabyte if you want. Still rocking the 8-inch only HD, not full HD, 1280 by 800. I believe that's the same resolution as the 2020 version was. Of course, you have Amazon A on here, and of course, you have cameras. So the big thing for this year is that new processor that is in these. That's also in the Plus version as well, which is really, really cool. The one I bought here is the blue version. I think it's called Denim, if I'm not mistaken. It is called Denim. Come back to that in just a second here. Okay, this will just be a quick unboxing. Oh, so one notable thing is this is different. So this is for the, like we just showed, HD8. This was for the HD8 Plus. You actually get a bigger charger with the HD8 Plus. That's interesting. Two, I did not mention it in my HD8 Plus version, but this is $20 cheaper than the Plus. Of course, you get USB Type-C, smaller charger. Let's see if it says what it is here. I do not know. I cannot. It's super tiny font. But it's definitely a smaller charger with the non-plus version. Ooh, I love that blue. Look at that blue. That's a nice blue. Yeah, I believe it's called Denim, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think the box says. So this is a smooth texture with the, I'm just going to call that an imprint. It actually is a little bit in. I don't know how to say that. It is a little bit in the tablet, back of the tablet. It's a very nice color. So you get, of course, 2 speakers on, we'll call it at the top. Then we have power button, volume rocker, mic, USB Type-C, headphone jack, your up to 1 terabyte micro SD card slot. Ooh, as I almost break it. Nothing on the bottom or that end. You got your camera. My fingerprints are over it. Then you have your other front-facing camera there. So looking at this compared to, I actually have the 2020 HD8 Plus, but they are basically almost sort of identical. Sorry about the fingerprints. These things are fingerprint magnets. So yeah, you guys can see here. So the blue, of course, is the HD8. The slate is the 2020 Plus. So you do have, they moved the volume rocker and the power button, they switched them up, and you can see the USB Type-C, they moved over a bit more on the new one to the right. Headphone jack actually almost looks a bit bigger for some reason. SD card slot, both can do 1 terabyte. Camera that's on there. And what's really cool is actually this is from the 2020, my old one's case. You guys can see it has an awesome National Geographic macaw on here. You guys can see I've been using this thing ever since I bought it 2 years ago, which is quite nasty. But it fits the new one, just like on the Plus version. That is really cool. I'm really surprised Amazon did not make it a tiny bit different to where old cases do not fit. So that is amazing. Don't know why I just punched it there. But yeah, so it fits both the old and the new. So if you have an old one and you're upgrading to the new HD8, if I can get this thing back out here, I have an old case, it will fit. At least an old Amazon specific branded case. So that's really, really cool. So alright guys, sorry about the nasty, I'll flip that over. Stay tuned, a whole crazy amount of videos will be coming on both the 8, and then I also have the 8 Plus right here. So crazy amount of videos will be coming very soon on those. Please stay tuned. Thank you all very much for watching. I really do appreciate y'all. Hope you guys have a good one. See y'all next time. Goodbye.